Good morning. Welcome to Asia World Expo in Hong Kong. We are coming to you live from the Gibson Home Show here in Hall 2, specifically the Hot Product Demo Zone, where you just saw LED balls on display. This is one of the products to be demoed at this zone later during the show period. Now, this special section of the show, you will have a presenter from, I believe, Hong Kong, who will be showing us different products, how they work. She'll be testing them out, actually, see how you use the product, talk about the special features, special capabilities, what the products are made of, and everything that you will need to know when you source the product. There will be demos from 10:30 to about 12 noon from days 1 to 3 of the Global Sources Gibson Home. So that's the 18th, 19th, and 20th. It's in Hall 2, so make sure you drop by. You will see here a few more products that will be demoed. I see scented jar candles. This is a table. It's made of felt with wooden legs. Now you will see, as you go around the zone, little cards that have very important information about the exhibitor. So you have the booth number, the name of the exhibitor, and a brief description of the product. Now, if you need additional information about the show, you can always go to our website, globalsources.com/exhibitions. You will see there the Gibson home page for the show. Everything you need to know. Pre-register or register, since the show's already started. You still have time. You register there. You can get free entry here to the show, free transport from key areas in downtown Hong Kong, and even free coffee at our Buyers Lounge and coffee area. Now let's go around some more. Oh, they're setting up because at 10:30 there will be a few demos. And this is an inflatable chair. I dare not sit on it right now. We'll let our host do the sitting. And a fancy umbrella, 3 folds, and huge butterfly design. This is really popular among kids, inflatables with a rainbow. Oh, it's not something that the kid will sit on. It's actually a drink holder. So if we zoom in, you will see cup holders here. You put your beverage and your tray for snacks. And so imagine you're at the side of the pool. You put your snacks there and then let it float all the way to the middle of the pool. So that's, comfort. So again, we are in Hall 2 of the Asia World Expo. We are looking at the Gibson Home Hot Product Demo Zone. There will be live product demonstrations from 10:30 to 12 noon on the 18th, 19th, and 20th of April. So make sure to drop by. You'll see all sorts of products here being tested out. And if you have questions about the products that you see here, and as we go around the show, you can go to globalsources.com/exhibitions, look for the product there or the name of the exhibitor, or easier, why don't you drop us a comment on Facebook, like, share, react to this video, and if you have key questions you'd like us to ask the supplier, then we'll check out their comments and ask them. And don't forget globalsources.com/exhibitions for all trade show information. Follow us on social media. We have Facebook, Global Sources, and Global Sources Exhibitions. Twitter also, and Instagram. You will get more updates, more product images, more product videos throughout the show.